If you want to create a Telegram channel on your computer, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to open Telegram on desktop or web, create your channel, add a description, choose whether it's private or public, and invite members the easy way. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer, or go to Telegram web in your browser, and sign into your account. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the window and click the Hamburger menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines. This menu gives you access to all of Telegram's main options. From the drop-down menu, select New Channel. This is the option you need to start building a brand new channel from scratch. Telegram will now open the channel setup screen, where you can begin entering your details. Now type in your channel name. Choose something clear, recognizable, and relevant to the type of content you plan to share. If you are creating a channel for updates, news, business announcements, or a community topic, make sure the name reflects that clearly. Right below that, you can also add an optional description. This is where you can explain what your channel is about, what kind of posts people can expect, and why they should join. A good description helps people understand your channel at a glance. After that, Telegram will ask you to choose whether your channel should be private or public. If you choose public, people can find it through search and join more easily. If you choose private, only people with an invite link will be able to access it. Think about your goal before choosing, because this setting affects how people discover and join your channel. Once you've selected your channel type, you'll move to the Add Members section. Here, you can either select contacts directly and click Add, or you can use an invite link to bring in specific people. If you already know who you want in the channel, adding contacts is the fastest way. If you want to share access with a smaller group or through a custom invite, the invite link option is the better choice. Take a moment to review everything before finishing. Make sure the channel name is correct, the description is clear, and the privacy setting matches what you want. Once that's done, you're ready to complete the setup and start using your Telegram channel. And that's it. You've now created a Telegram channel on desktop or web. From here, you can start posting updates, sharing announcements, and building your audience. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.